Hi, I'm Vasanta Lakshmi from Vidyavardhaka BM Shri EI CBSE Mysuru. Now I am doing a activity on game development about how to solve a maze by making the beetle to reach the apple. So here we will see the programming, how is it done. So we are taking the sprite as a beetle here and we have set the direction to 0. Okay, and set the size of the beetle as 50. Keep it minimum only so that the beetle size will not increase and it will touch the black lines. So we have set the starting position as -50 and -150, that is x and y position. You can see x position here and y position here. Then we are taking while loop 1, that is if while loop is true it will be entering the other if loops. Okay, if you press the up arrow of the sprite will be moving upwards and it will be setting the direction from 0 and it will be moving forward. When you press the down arrow key of the sprite, it will be moving back 180 degree down and it will be moving downwards. Then if you press the left arrow key, it will be moving -90 degree, that is minus x axis, and it will be moving left side, and when you press the right arrow key, it will be moving plus x axis, that is plus 90 degree right side, and it will be moving right side. When the sprite touches the color 000, means the color code for black is 000. When it touches the color, any line which is in black in the maze, it will be setting the direction to 0 and it will be going back to the normal position -150 and -150, that is x and y. But when the sprite touches the color 255, the color code is 255 for red. When it touches 255, that is red color, it says game over for 2 seconds, and it will be setting the direction 180 degree back, and it will say that I am going to the starting position for 3. It will be displaying a message, I am going to starting position for 3 seconds, and it will come back to the normal x and y position, and it will be setting the direction to 0, and it will be breaking out of the while loop. Now let us see how now I'll be pressing run key and I will be making the sprite to move. It is moving the right side. It is moving upside. It is moving left side now. Now it is again moving upside, again right side, again upside, left side, again up arrow key I am pressing, again left arrow key. Now it has touched the apple which is in red color, and it says game over and it is coming back to the original position. So I have done the activity. I hope you all liked it. Thank you very much.